Good morning, everybody. You're gonna go wash out this little mask. About to do a load of laundry, a load of work clothes, so I figure might as well wash it while we're at it. Curious to see what we got here. You know, when I do these masks, I normally just twist them up around the top. Rinse out a little bit. Maybe I should get one more glove. Back, fully gloved. I'll rinse it out with a little bit of cold water first. Yeah, back of it. The straps are not cotton, so they will not die. So that's probably going to be pretty good. Crank up our hot, get some heat into it. See what we got. Let's see what we got, people. Ooh. Nice pastel center. Look at that. I think that came out pretty good. I don't know what it's going to look like when it's totally done, but it looks pretty good right there. Check that out. That looks pretty cool, right? I think it does. Look at that. Oh yeah. Got some good pattern in there. And we'll finish washing it off a little bit. And then we'll throw it in the washing machine and see what we ended up with. See what the final result looks like. I like how it goes, transitions to the black, you know, I want the black outsides. So that looks pretty happening, man. Let's toss it on in there and see what we end up with. It's the best throw I can do from here. A little bit of that in there. And here's the final result. Check that out. Actually didn't come out very good, but that's because I made a little mess up when I was dyeing it. As you can see, the yellow's very light. That's because I used lemon yellow, which is a pastel. I should have used golden yellow. It was late at night, and let's face it, I'm not the dyeing professional. That would be the misses on that one. So this is what happens when I try to tie-dye without supervision. But yeah, either way, still a pretty design though, and she really likes it, so obviously it won't be for sale, but we are gonna use it nonetheless. She's gonna wear it to work. But yep, good lesson in this is always make sure you use pastels with pastels and traditionals with traditionals. Otherwise, you end up with something that looks like this. Alrighty, folks. Y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.